So I know you guys have heard about all those sleep aids that are like gummies, but have you heard about the ones that are just patches? Yeah, the Friendly Patch has come out with the Snooze, which is a patch that's gonna help you with your sleep. So all you need to do is put one of these patches on your skin. I like to put mine on the inside of my wrist, but I do know people who like to put theirs right here under their ear. So this has melatonin, magnesium, and it's full of all natural plant-based ingredients. This is a really great alternative to laying there counting sheep every night. They also had that beautiful lavender smell, which I love, which definitely helps calm me down at night. So if you've had a busy week, struggling in your sleep, make sure you check these out. The link below in the TikTok shop.